Well, here we are, December 7th, 2013, in Gold Hill, Oregon, one day after a 5-inch snowstorm. It's a dry snow. It was 30 degrees while it was snowing, so the snow is much fluffier. And since they don't have any snow removal around here, you can see how icy the roads are. The trees are still covered with snow. And it's about 28 degrees out here. And we're expecting the skies to clear later today, and tonight it's going to get down into the single digits for our low. It's about as wintry as it ever gets around here. It sure is pretty.